beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Nancy. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for lots of like and comment. It really means a lot to me. So let's see what's happening in this October month for us. So we will go with Aries, Leo, and Sag. Let's go with Aries first. What is it? Okay, so you need care of yourself, Aries. Do the self-love. Are you wearing a mask? Can you see like this card? This person is holding a fake, holding a mask. So is it that, Aries, you are feeling that you have to have this fake smile, which really means that you are trying to pretend to be someone who you are not? Is it that you're trying to hide your true self? So Aries, try to understand what is it. Why are you feeling this, that there are this duality inside in you. You're not trying to understand what exactly you want, what is happening with you, why are you feeling this. So in this October month, you have to understand, you need to really take a closer look to yourself. Why are you feeling like this? Why are you not giving this self love, this beautiful kindness, this beautiful nurturing? Why isn't it coming first for you rather than you giving it for everyone around you? Why are you feeling that lonely, that pain, that see, yes, this is exactly, this has to come, right? That you're feeling that you are lonely, you don't see a way out, you're kind of feeling lost. So this October month, what is it that you need to know? You have your soulmate over here. So this October month, you might meet some new people, new friends. Maybe you have your kids, you are thinking about your kids a lot. Okay, so this October month, you need to take a close look at your kids if in case you're married. If in case you're not married, this October month, there is some new person coming into your life with this beautiful abundance, this beautiful surprise, this beautiful, something you never expected. So this October, there is something new, something coming, and yes, you have a lot of options. You have really a lot of options in this October month. So Aries, what is it? What is making you so sad? So whatever has happened in September, leave that behind. Get out of it. Understand what you want. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. Do a self talk with yourself. Okay, talk one on one with your soul. Sometimes you need to understand that you have your mind and you have your heart. Try to understand, make it one. Know what exactly makes you happy, what exactly you need. Is it that inside in you? Why are you feeling that you need to fake all the time? Why are you not really connected to yourself? Thank you, angels. Try to connect to yourself. Okay, see, there is change. Number 5, there is some change happening. You need to understand that you need to connect to yourself. Whatever happened in September month, leave it behind. You nurture yourself. Okay, if you're feeling that you have no option, you're feeling left alone, it's not that. There is option. Each and every day brings a new beginning. Okay, thank you, angels. That's what they are trying to just show, like literally put in my inner mind. So see, you have your soulmate coming in. I don't know how, when your soulmate, you're going to attract your soulmate, and you can only attract your soulmate when you are out of this duality. My voice is changing, I'm sorry. Okay, so you will only attract your soulmate when you are out of this duality. Try to be your own authentic self. If in case you want something beautiful in this October month, if in case you want this beautiful surprise which is coming your way with lots of love, with lots of abundance, if it is work, if it is a relationship, if it is, see, even your kids, if in case you're married, it's a collective reading, so please do take whatever resonates and you can leave the rest. If in case you're married, you have to take a little closer look of your children, or be careful with their health, anything, just be aware of what's happening with them. Just be around them, spend your time with kids. So maybe when you spend your time with kids, automatically you will understand that what is that little lacking behind in you. Why are you feeling so much of pain? Yes, there are a lot of options. Money, wealth, abundance, this all is going to come in your way. But once you make your vibrations high, that's when you will attract the good. Yes, your creative ideas, your creative side, it's all hiding, it's all in this one corner, but there is this beautiful power. Your inner strength is so strong, it's just that you are hiding your inner strength, and you are kind of literally lost. So let this lost thing leave behind in the September. In this October, you are going to create a beautiful abundance. In case it's your work, if in case it's your family, if in case it's your relationship or the relationship with your children, you are going to have a beautiful bond with them. Every next day there is something new. One thing you get to learn. Second thing, if you don't get to learn, is it's a new experience, right? So one thing you get to learn, second thing you to let go of something old and start with the new one. Okay, so thank you so much, Aries. This was very beautiful. See what's happening with our Leo. What is it that we need to know? It's not personal. Okay, Leos, this October month, please try to feel that, don't take anything too seriously. You are thinking a lot, be relaxed. Let people say whatever they want to. You also just don't take anything very personally, because you know what is your personality, you know what you are. Okay, so if anyone says something, you don't turn out to be like them, right? So let them say what they want to. Be careful from any kinds of fights, any kind of situation which you feel it's not serving you. Yes, there is some kind of a tower moment, that's the reason you need to be careful. Just be aware. You may be traveling, and see, in family everything is going to go all right. Don't worry. If in case you're thinking about family, things are going to come rushing into your life, but it is going to go also very fast. So this can be, if in case you're not married, this can be love. If in case it's not love, it can be work, or it can be money. It can be something which is coming quick and just going quick. Maybe in September month you had this tower moment, but right now you are having this understanding with your family in the house. Your creative ideas, work on that. Don't keep thinking to yourself so much. You'll be feeling a little bit not so happy because there is this tower moment. Maybe that's what is past, it's gone. You were thinking, you are worried, how are you going to take care of your family? Then there is this certain kind of a quick money which comes and makes you feel happy. And don't worry, if in case there is any kind of a argument, if in case, I don't think it will be, but still, if in case there is, it's not for everyone, it's only for some. If there is any argument with your family, do not worry. Okay, that's going to just be for the short time and it will just disappear. I don't think there would be so much money issue, because you have enough right now. You're just thinking about future. How is my future going to be? Do not worry. If you have right now, and you have, okay, you've reached till here right now, so in future also you will find a way out. You will be able to take care of your family. There is this beautiful happy moments with your family, loved one. Not ever 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 worry about it. This October month is just telling you to think a little less, and yes, there is certain kind of truth which is going to come in your way. You are going to have this understanding. You're going to really be very straightforward with whoever is going to talk to you in this October month. Be aware. As I told you, there would be some things happening in your family, with your friends, with your sister, brother, cousin, okay, or with your soulmate, because soulmate can be mother, father, sister, brother, anyone, right? With your husband, wife. So that's what I'm seeing over here for you. Worry at all. October month is really good for you, Leos. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, my beautiful Saggy. Let's see what's happening in this October month for you. What is it that you need to know? Feed your spirit. Yes, Sagittarius, try to understand what is it that you need to know. Walking away. So there are certain things that you need to leave behind and feed your spirit. Whatever makes you happy, please do that, Sagittarius. Try to understand that inside, when you are completely full inside, you will automatically feel pleasant, happy in the outer world, space of yours. Okay, so see, in family wise, you don't need to worry. There is enough for your family, there is enough for everyone. So you have really worked hard to keep your family happy, to keep everyone happy. Then now it's your turn. Yes, you are feeling a little bit that you are feeling alone. Sagittarius, at times you do feel alone. You are feeling that what about my happiness? What about me? I am trying to fulfill everyone's wishes. I'm working so hard. You need to sometimes give yourself that space. If things are not serving you, walk away from them. That doesn't mean that I'm telling you don't take care of your responsibilities, leave your family. No, I'm not telling you that. I'm telling you to have a little break. Go for a beautiful vacation, go and have your me time. Trying to tell you, in this October month you need to do that. Yes, there were a lot of burdens. You had really a tough time in this September month which went by, and try to understand in this October month also you will feel that you have a lot of responsibilities, but from your family you are able to take care of them. Don't feel that you are alone. That's all I can tell you. Try to feel that you're complete. Oh, beautiful. See, you have a world card. So this is trying to just tell you that don't ever feel that you have nobody with you. There is angel guides. You are just complete. That's the reason you can take care of your family. That's the reason you can fight against any kind of situations, whatever is coming in front of you. So this October month you are completely, oh, beautiful. See this abundance, this money. If in case that was bothering you, that how am I going to keep my family happy, there is, your family is always going to be by your side. Whether you have right now something, or if you don't have anything, they will still be by your side, right? So this time will pass by. If you're thinking that see, there is this beautiful opportunity, there is this beautiful feeling, it's only that whatever is not serving you, you must understand, and you must walk away from things which is not serving you. Maybe you're not married and you're single, and you're having a bad group, a company, because since there were many things going around, and you started thinking that okay, let me be with my friend circle, that will give me peace, that will give me happiness. So maybe you are going along with the wrong people, so you need to let go of that. Maybe those people are not helping you to walk forward. Okay, Sagittarius, so just try to understand what is your space. You are protected, you are guided, everything is there with you. You have this beautiful lion strength. Sometimes, yes, it's not only you, Saji, it's not only you that you feel sad, you feel alone. There are some times which we all go through it. We all go through this ups and downs, and you sometimes feel that you are just left alone and nobody is with you. But it's okay. You are strong enough to fight against any kind of battles. See, any worries, battles, anything is coming, you are ready to take each and every step to protect your family, to protect yourself. Okay, so I am just trying to say that yes, I'm understanding that you are being with friends so you can share your things, but more than being with friends and this material things, try to feed in your soul. You know what soul is? Soul is us. We are not our mind, and we are not our body. We are our soul. Try to understand that whatever we are in this human form, it's just that for some time. It's just that we are in this human form for certain time to certain time. We will change, but what our origin is we are the soul. Souls can only know to love. Don't worry, Sagittarius. God, universe, everyone is listening to you. If you're feeling that no one is listening to your desires, okay, no, everyone is listening to you. You have your spirit animals, you have your spirit guides, you have your angels, universe, whoever you believe in, okay, Allah, whoever you believe in, they are just there. They are there to, you just need to call out to them. It was very beautiful. Thank you so much.